ain't rolling easy.
No, it's not rolling easy at all.
No.
Hey, go.
Tires up on that side?
Huh?
No wonder it wasn't going nowhere yet.
Oh, man.
I heard it right then.
That sucks.
I said, Corey, put out.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the
No carbs,
channel, and boys,
no sugars, no nothing.
it's time.
No bread. No bread.
We gotta get the
no
engine
meat
in this thing.
Yeah, I eat all the meat.
Chicken.
No bread or meat or nothing.
Chicken and bacon.
That don't sound like a diet to me.
He's a crazy terrier.
Hold on, there. What's going on under there?
Got something underneath. Are you ready to put the motor in this thing?
Sure.
Are you excited?
Dude, that thing looks awesome.
It's
That's
beautiful.
The best looking motor.
Yeah, the fire sale line going in it.
Somebody's got to represent push rods out here, right?
Right. Too many coyotes around here. You know? I don't know. We need to do something about all these coyote guys.
Do I help?
Alright, boys, so as promised, we are going to do some push rod stuff today. Dover finished up everything, got the oil fill on the engine, looking good. Brand new injectors, fuel rails all cleaned up, ready to go. Distributor is in and timed. I mean, it's ready. So, the engine bay is nice and, well, clean. Yeah, it's washed. It's not filthy. So, yeah, really just need to drop a motor in and call her good, right? Going up. Going up.
Probably want a little soak of water to do for a car.
Mm-hmm.
Because you wash that dirt off there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's actually white.
It's a bright one.
Guys, if you all saw the first video when this car came in, it had like moss growing on the paint. It looks good now. It really does. Yeah. Now you're gonna have a little fresh bling bling under the hood. I just said bling bling. Oh my
Bling,
god!
bling, yeah.
Come
Pretty
on,
blingy,
man.
man.
It is. Yeah. Yep. I always like this. It'll look good in there.
What the red car you got is
We're going in.
Going in.
Going in. And up.
Making all kinds of room in here, huh?
Mm-hmm. Clearing them out. Next up, boys, we're going to be doing some Leadfoot Gray stuff, so stay tuned for that. George's Leadfoot Gray 93.
Yeah, George, we ain't forgot about you, huh?
George, we have not forgot you, dude. Promise. All right, I think we should be able to clear. Yeah, you good.
Here, hold the hood, Tim.
Yeah, far up as you can. All right. There you go, yeah. Oh, back, baby, back. Oh, she's almost in.
So you're going to have to kick your the hoist
Yeah.
over. Get the tire.
Yep.
There you go.
There we go. I knew something was holding up. All right, come on back. You should better come down now. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, we're close.
You on your hole?
Just about. I got like about an inch.
Come on, man.
Come on. Oh, come on. Come on down. It needs to just kind of fall in it. There it is. She's in.
Tony wanted 2,500 for that 10R80.
10R80. Ooh, that's some big money, huh?
All right, boys. She's a sitting in there. How about it? And what do you think?
Looking good.
Yeah, right. Here, you can put your prop rod back up. All right, boys. Well, as per usual, we got to jump it off. One of the other issues we're gonna try and figure out on this car. But before we go any farther, we've got some concerns and questions regarding the health of the engine. So once we get the car actually started, get her in the shop, we're gonna see via compression test if this thing's even worth tuning up. If it is, then we're gonna tune it up. If it isn't, then we're gonna drop back and punt. So let's see if we can get her started. That looks great.
That's the best looking after.
Yes, sir. That looks fantastic. Let's get everything bolted to her and uh-oh.
Settle it in a little bit.
Yep.
I dropped on it.
Yeah, it's good. All right, boys. So next up, old school center force DFX. This was the clutch of choice, boys. So we got the center force DFX clutch, and then right there, fresh built T5. And guys, this is from the Fox Body Garage. I forgot to give them a shout out. Fox Body Garage did that rebuild. So yeah, just need to get her up in the air and yeah. Well, it's not quite that simple. We still got to get, of course, all the front engine dress and got to clean all the front engine dress. So you know, while everything there looks good, that's
The hard part, clean that shit up.
yeah, exactly. And you just take it to a car wash and get it on a pressure washer. And of course, we're not reusing the water pump, honestly, but get all that stuff cleaned up. It's coming. Takes time, money. All right, boys, real quick, I did have to shout out. If you see this wicked sign here that changes colors and does all this, my buddy James Taylor from Taylor's Audio, check out his business card there. They are in Alma, Georgia, which is just north of Atlanta. But sent me this freaking awesome sign. I love it. Comes with a remote to change. You can change the colors and all that stuff. Looks amazing in the shop. But absolutely love it. Truly appreciate it. James, thank you very much. That's awesome. All right, boys, so it's been a great day at the shop today. All kinds of stuff going on. Next up, I am going to get on Project 4 to 8. I've got to get back going on. We've just had so much other stuff going on, and actually making some progress on stuff, which is good. Always good to make progress. But again, guys, this is gonna be too cool. It's gonna be a good running car. We're gonna do smoky burnouts when it's done, right? Yes, yes. Because I mean, you kind of need new tires anyway, so we might as well just finish them off.
Yeah, we'll finish,
Yeah, I mean, one way or the other. I mean, they're not.
They got some meat on them right
Yeah,
now.
actually, they do have some meat. Yeah, we can take care of that. So, long smoky burnouts brought to you by the Trick Flow top end kit. And guys, like I said, if you caught the video when this car first came, it's come a long way, and of course, it's still got a long way to go, but it's on the comeback path. Gonna be badass. All right, boys. So that is what is up. Progress all around. I love it. It's been a good day. If you're new to the channel, yeah, we've got all kinds of progress going on. We do need to get back on Brian's turbo build. We're also doing the On3 turbo kit. If you are new to the channel again, going to be working on that. And then we're going to be getting the T56 Magnum and 2017 Coyote engine and VMP supercharger together for George's car. George, again, we have not forgotten you. So we got George's massive pile of parts right here. There's his engine, supercharger, and all that stuff. So that's going to be awesome. But yeah, Guys, it never ends, and just surrounded by badassery everywhere. Don't even. I can't feel my hands. No, I'm just kidding. All right, guys, that is what is up. Please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I will catch up with you next time.
Later.